Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn cashback rewards with credit cards to maximize your spending, follow these step-by-step instructions to get money back on purchases. Step 1. Research and choose a cashback credit card that matches your spending habits. Look for cards offering high rewards in categories where you spend most. Step 2. Apply for the card online, through the issuer's website, or through comparison sites. Check your credit score first, as most good cashback cards require good to excellent credit. Step 3. Understand your card's reward structure, including flat-rate cashback on all purchases, rotating categories with higher rewards, or bonus categories like groceries and gas. Step 4. Activate rotating bonus categories if your card requires it. Some cards need quarterly activation for higher cashback rates in specific spending categories. Step 5. Use your cashback card for everyday purchases that you would make anyway, such as groceries, gas, utilities, and bills, rather than spending more to earn rewards. Step 6. Pay your full balance every month before the due date to avoid interest charges that would negate any cashback rewards earned. Step 7. Track your rewards through your card's app or website to monitor accumulated cashback and ensure you're maximizing earnings in bonus categories. Step 8. Redeem your cashback regularly through statement credits, direct deposits, gift cards, or checks based on your card's redemption options and your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.